At Pro Caliber Motorsports, your health and safety is our top priority. We're currently open and have taken steps throughout our dealerships in response to the spread of the coronavirus by implementing CDC recommendations. We've installed hand sanitizer stations with at least 60% alcohol throughout our sales and service departments. Our sales and service teams are required to wipe down vehicle door handles, steering wheels, gear shifters, and other frequently touched surfaces. Employees are sanitizing work surfaces, computers, keyboards, telephones, and other contact areas. Our cleaning staff are wiping down surfaces, door handles, and other frequently touched surfaces on a nightly basis. We've also asked all employees to wash their hands thoroughly and use hand sanitizer when necessary. Any employees that feel or show symptoms have been asked to stay home for 14 days or longer as recommended by a healthcare professional. We are open for business and thankful for all who come into our stores. However, if you prefer to shop remotely, we stand ready to assist you online and over the phone. Pro Caliber Motorsports is committed to protecting you and our employees by providing a safe and clean storefront.